Hello, boys and girls. My name is Miss Osa, and I'm going to be teaching you all the objective for today, which is going to be time units. Now, I want you all to know that these are simple rules that we have to follow during today's lesson. One, we're going to track the speaker. We're going to what?
Track the speaker.
Two, we're going to listen carefully. We're going to what?
Listen carefully.
Good job. Okay, so one thing that I know everybody loves in here is food, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So, what is one question that people ask when waiting for food?
How is it? When's it ready?
Yeah, basically, how long does it take? That means how much time does it take to prepare the food?
Student misbehaves.
Wait a minute now. Wait a minute. What were the rules? What were the rules? Listen carefully and track the speaker. I'm the speaker, right? All right, you get 1 second. Hold on. So let me show you some tricks so that we can make this really fun. 60 seconds equals 1 minute. 60 minutes is 1 hour. 24 hours is 1 day. And 7 days is 1 week. Now, I came up with a little acronym, and an acronym that's more so for your English language class. That's basically something to help you remember something that you've been taught. So, you see here how I have underlined the first letter of every word that I wrote down. The acronym is Sam's mother made Holly happy doing daily work. Can everybody say that with me?
Sam's mother made Holly happy doing daily work.
Now, I know that y'all don't like doing chores, so this will be very easy for you all to understand because that's basically what it's saying. Sam's mother made Holly happy by doing daily work. That's how you remember the time. 60 seconds equals 1 minute. 60 minutes equals 1 hour. 24 hours equals 1 day, and 7 days equal 1 week. Now, sometimes we have to change the units. So that may mean that you need to make something go from smaller to larger, and that's like division or subtraction, which is something that you're already familiar with. Sometimes you need to change a larger number to a smaller number. That's multiplying because you're gaining, which is like addition. So think of it like the alphabet. If you're changing something from smaller to larger, know that that's division.
Yep.
S comes after L.
Mm-hmm.
So that's taking away alphabet letters. L comes before S, so you multiply. I'm going to read you all a problem, and the sheet is right in front of you. I want you to do 2 things. I want you to find where the numbers are, and then I want you to box the time shown in the problem. Ready? Brandon left school at 3:15 p.m. He walked to the library to work on his homework. It took 15 minutes to walk to the library. Brandon's father picked him up at the library 1 hour after he arrived. What time did Brandon's dad pick him up? The instructions again are to find the numbers and then box the times that are shown. Once you've done this, put your pencils down. I'll give you about 5 seconds.
Count it down.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Good.
Everybody ready?
Yeah.
Good job. All right, so can somebody tell me what is one number that you may have saw?
Student gives incorrect answer.
I don't know if that's the right answer. Does someone else want to help the friend out?
Student gives correct answer.
Good job. Good job. Everybody say, good job, best friend.
Good job, best friend.
Okay, now what is the second number that you noticed in the sentence? Good job, good job. 1 hour. So, let's read the sentence one more time. Brandon left school at 3:15. So that's the first number. He walked to the library to work on his homework. It took him 15 minutes to walk to the library. Now let's stop right there first. He left school at 3:15. it takes him 15 minutes to walk to the library. What is 15 plus 15?
30.
Good job. So that means he arrived at the library at 3:30. Brandon's father picked him up at the library 1 hour after he arrived. What time did Brandon's dad pick him up? So 3:15 to 3:30. So from 1 hour after 3:30, what time will Brandon's dad pick him up? That's going past 3:30, right? In clockwise ways. Up here, we see 60 minutes is 1 hour. So all you have to do is add 60 to 3:30. Now that seems a little confusing, but it's not so bad because all you have to do is just move a few numbers up. And some of us know how to tell time in here. This is the 30 mark at 6.
Mm-hmm.
This is a 3. Little hand goes to 3, big hand goes to 6. This whole thing equals 60. Half of it is 30. So if I'm at 3:30 and I want to move to 60, I'm going to move a whole nother number. So it's going to be 4:30.
Mm-hmm.
Right? Does everybody see how I did that?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay. Well, you just told time. So
Awesome.
congratulations, because now we're all time tellers. All right. I'm so proud of you guys. You guys did a really good job. Now, what I want you to do is to give me 3 main points of today's lesson. And if you do, I'll give you 5 extra minutes for recess time. Okay? What was one main point of today's lesson? Good job. It was about time, using numbers. All right. Give me another main point. Good. It involves English, which is reading and compromising. One more main point. Good. The alphabet trick. Good job. All right. So now that we all know how to tell time, let's do these few math problems that are in front of you on your worksheet. And after that, we will have recess. And as I promised, you will have 5 extra minutes due to you growing your brains, listening, and tracking the speakers.
Awesome.